Russian in 30 days? You bet. Think learning Russian is a long, hard journey? Think again. You can learn the basics of Russian in just 30 days. Yes, really. This guide will show you how. It's all about learning smarter, not harder. We'll focus on the most important grammar rules and vocabulary. You'll be speaking and understanding Russian in no time. Ready for the challenge? Let's dive in. Privet. Gotovy vyuchit Ruski? I'm sure you've heard the news. This guide is your roadmap to learning Russian fast. Whether you're planning a trip to Moscow or just want to expand your horizons, this guide is for you. We'll break down the essentials into manageable daily chunks. You'll learn key grammar concepts, build a practical vocabulary, and discover effective learning techniques. By the end of the month, you'll be able to hold basic conversations and navigate everyday situations in Russian. Russian is spoken by millions worldwide. It opens doors to rich culture, history, and literature. Learning Russian can boost your career prospects. It can also enhance your travel experiences. Imagine reading Dostoevsky in the original language or effortlessly navigating the streets of St. Petersburg. These experiences can become your reality. Learning Russian is an investment in yourself. It's a journey of discovery and personal growth. Russian grammar might seem intimidating at first, but it's actually very logical. We'll focus on the essentials to get you speaking confidently. First, you'll learn the Cyrillic alphabet. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Then we'll tackle basic sentence structure. You'll quickly grasp the subject-verb-object order. We'll also cover essential grammar points like noun genders, verb conjugations, and simple cases. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regular exercises and interactive activities will help solidify your understanding. Section 5. Building your Russian vocabulary, the must-know words. Building a solid vocabulary is key to speaking any language fluently. We'll focus on the most common Russian words that you'll actually use in everyday conversations. Start with basic greetings, introductions, and essential phrases. Then expand your vocabulary to include words related to food, travel, shopping, and other common topics. Flashcards, language learning apps, and immersion techniques are great ways to memorize new words quickly and effectively. Section 6. Learning Russian, your way. Tips and tricks for beginners. Learning a new language can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies, it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. Finding the right learning methods is crucial for success. Start by exploring various resources such as textbooks, online courses, and language learning apps. Each resource offers unique benefits, so take the time to find what suits your learning style best. Experiment with different approaches to discover what works best for you. Some people find flashcards helpful for memorizing vocabulary, while others prefer interactive apps that offer a more engaging experience. Don't be afraid to mix and match different methods. Immerse yourself in the language by watching Russian movies and TV shows. This not only helps with understanding the cultural context, but also improves your listening skills. Try to watch with subtitles at first, and gradually challenge yourself to watch without them. Listen to Russian music and podcasts. Music can be a fun way to pick up new words and phrases, while podcasts can provide more in-depth understanding of the language. Create a playlist of your favorite Russian songs and listen to them regularly. Practice speaking from day one, even if it's just with yourself. Speaking out loud helps reinforce what you've learned and builds your confidence. Try recording yourself and listening to the playback to identify areas for improvement. The key is to make learning fun and engaging. Join a study group or find a language partner to practice with. Use language learning games and apps to keep things interesting. The more enjoyable the process, the more likely you are to stick with it. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process and provide valuable opportunities for growth. Each error you make is a step closer to mastering the language. They are a natural part of the learning process. Review your mistakes regularly and learn from them. This will help you avoid making the same errors in the future and improve your overall proficiency. Embrace them as opportunities to learn and grow. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Each milestone is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Keep pushing forward, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Section 7. From Beginner to Conversational: Unlocking Communication and Culture. In this section, we will explore the journey from mastering the basics to becoming conversational in Russian. and how this process opens doors to a rich cultural experience. Mastering basic Russian grammar and vocabulary is just the first step. It's like laying the foundation of a building, essential, but only the beginning. Understanding the structure of the language gives you the tools to start forming sentences and expressing basic ideas. The real magic happens when you start using the language to communicate and connect with others. This is where the language comes alive. Practicing with friends or language partners helps you to apply what you've learned in real-life situations, making the learning process more dynamic and engaging. Engage in simple conversations with native speakers. These interactions are invaluable as they provide authentic practice and immediate feedback. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process and help you improve. Join online language exchange groups. These platforms connect you with native speakers and fellow learners from around the world, offering a diverse range of conversational practice. It's a great way to build confidence and fluency. Immerse yourself in Russian culture through books, movies, and music. Consuming media in the target language enhances your listening skills and exposes you to colloquial expressions and cultural nuances that textbooks might not cover. As you progress, you'll gain a deeper appreciation for Russian culture and perspectives. Visiting cultural sites, participating in festivals, and experiencing traditional dances firsthand enrich your understanding and make the language learning journey more meaningful. Language learning is about more than just words. It's about bridging cultural gaps and fostering understanding. By learning Russian, you are not only acquiring a new skill, but also opening your mind to new ways of thinking and connecting with people from different backgrounds. This cultural exchange promotes empathy and global awareness, making the world a smaller, more connected place. Section 8. Success stories, real people, real results with Russian. Don't just take our word for it. The journey of learning Russian is filled with inspiring stories from real people who have achieved remarkable results. Countless individuals have successfully learned Russian quickly using similar methods. These methods are designed to be engaging, effective, and adaptable to different learning styles. I was amazed at how much progress I made in just a few weeks, says Sarah, a language enthusiast who used a similar approach to learn Russian. She found that integrating Russian into her daily routine made a significant difference. The key is consistency and finding learning methods that resonate with you. Sarah used a combination of language apps, online resources, and regular practice to stay on track. Another learner, John, emphasizes the importance of immersion. He believes that surrounding oneself with the language is crucial for rapid learning. Surrounding myself with the language through movies, music, and conversations made all the difference, he shares. John watched Russian films, listened to Russian music, and practiced speaking with friends to enhance his learning experience. These stories highlight that with dedication and the right approach, rapid progress in Russian is achievable for anyone. Whether it's through structured lessons, immersive experiences, or a mix of both, the path to fluency is within reach. Many learners also find success by joining language exchange programs and participating in community events. These opportunities provide real-life practice and cultural insights that enrich the learning process. Additionally, incorporating reading and writing exercises can significantly boost your understanding and retention of the language. Reading Russian novels or writing daily journals in Russian can be both challenging and rewarding. Interactive tools like flashcards and language games can make learning more fun and engaging. These tools help reinforce vocabulary and grammar in an enjoyable way. Workshops and group discussions are also excellent ways to practice speaking and listening skills. Engaging with others who are also learning can provide motivation and support. Personalized feedback from tutors or language coaches can help identify areas for improvement and provide tailored guidance. This one-on-one attention can accelerate your learning progress. Ultimately, the journey of learning Russian is unique for everyone, but the common thread is the sense of accomplishment and joy that comes with mastering a new language. Celebrate your milestones and keep pushing forward. Section 9. 30 Days to Russian Success. Your language journey starts now. Learning Russian in 30 days is an ambitious but achievable goal. By following this guide, you'll be well on your way to fluency. Remember, consistency is key. Dedicate time each day to practice your grammar, vocabulary, and conversation skills. Celebrate your progress along the way. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Embrace the challenge, stay motivated, and watch yourself unlock a world of possibilities with the Russian language. Section 10. Join the language learning community. Ready to embark on your exciting Russian language adventure? Subscribe now for more language learning tips, resources, and continuous support. Share your experiences and connect with fellow learners on our vibrant forum. Together, we can achieve fluency and celebrate success. Start your journey today and discover the joy of speaking Russian fluently.